I'm Dr. Patrick Carnes, and I'm the founder of the Gentle Path program at the Meadows. Recently in the news, there's been a lot of controversy about what sex addiction is, what it's not. And one of the things that we've learned over time is that whenever sex addiction is connected to a topic like trafficking or prostitution or children or harassment, it gets confused that that's a sex addict. It confuses the public because the distinction is not made between what sex addiction actually is and what this strong issue that people have intense feelings about. It's important to be able to see that this is a larger thing. There is a big body of science that has existed for quite some time about sex being an addiction. An easy way for you to check for yourself is go to the website of the American Society for Addiction Medicine. These are doctors who specialize in addiction and really understand it. And their definition of addiction talks about sex being an addiction. The fact of the matter is when we have people say no such thing as sex addiction exists, there are lots of people out there who are listening to this, and especially we have found this to be true of college age and high school age kids and of women who are already afraid to admit to a doctor or talk to anybody about their problem. And the reality is when they hear a message is that it doesn't exist, they become hopeless. I have seen these controversies over the years. They come and they go. But the thing I've heard from people is they only needed to hear the words and they said, I need to get some help. And you can get some help. You can get some help by calling us. You can get some help by going to sexhelp.com. You can find a trained, certified sex addiction therapist in your own area. But the point is that when you hear a debate, you need to understand what Sophocles talked about in the 5th century BC. He says, when a new idea comes out, there's an argument about which side is right. And you have to follow the argument down to the essence. That's what we have to do in science. And what we've learned is that going with the science of what we know to be true is really the secret of all this. And if the words fit for you and the descriptions fit for you, then it's time to seek help and not be distracted by the debate that goes on the television and media services. Thank you for your attention.